Burp Suite is today's most widely used software for web security testing. It acts as a middleman between the attacker's browser and the target web server. By positioning themselves in the middle of the front-end and back-end communications of the web app, an attacker can inspect and precisely manipulate HTTP network traffic, which is extremely powerful for security testing. When you start Burp, you can access all functionality from the tabs up top. Hit Open Browser to open the browser that's connected to Burp. Proxy Intercept allows you to stop and hold an HTTP request, modify it and then forward it to the server. Server error signals SQL injection. Now let's turn Intercept off. HTTP history shows you all requests that passed through while Burp was running, regardless of whether Intercept was enabled. For example, this post request to /deposit added 4 sevens to our balance. Repeater allows you to completely kick out the frontend from the equation. Grab a request from HTTP history or Intercept, send it to Repeater, then modify and resend it directly to the server as many times as you want. Intruder allows you to fire requests at the web server automatically, which is usually used for brute force. Grab a request from HTTP history or Intercept, send it to Intruder, set the type of attack and positions, select a word list, and start blasting the backend with hundreds of requests per second. Well, that's on the paid version. The free one, you get about 1 per second. Dashboard just lets you see a summary of your activity, and Target Scope allows you to include or exclude URLs from being proxied through Burp. Target Sitemap shows everything Burp has discovered so far through crawling, scanning, which is covered in a moment, and manual testing. Extensions allow you to extend Burp functionality in all kinds of ways by downloading community and custom plugins. Sequencer is used to analyze the randomness and predictability of return values such as session tokens. Decoder is used to encode and decode data, Comparer is used to compare data, Logger is used to view all traffic handled by Burp, and Organizer is used to organize findings and notes during testing. In addition to its free features, Burp includes a paid vulnerability scanner that automatically runs scans and generates reports, as well as Burp Collaborator, which allows testers to generate unique payloads and monitor external interactions between the target application and a collaborator server operated by Portswigger. Burp Collaborator is commonly used to identify out-of-band vulnerabilities.